Hello viewers, in this video we will talk about how to prepare for UGC NET examination. So, first thing you have to do is take the printout of previous papers, or you have to buy the book of the previous papers. Okay, if you are unable to buy the book, then you can just take the printout of previous papers. Okay, so you have to check the topics which are repeated in previous years and prepare for that topic. So okay, and complete topics one by one and take regular breaks so that you can study well, and you have to uh, take some time to prepare. Okay, so whenever you are analyzing previous year's papers, then you have to concentrate on the topics which are repeated. Okay, so from the same topic questions can be different, so you have to understand that. Okay, and when we talk about reference books, then you have to study some reference books completely. Okay, and so that, like, you have to prepare, and then after another point is that understand different types and levels of questions. Okay, so you have to understand that every question is not difficult or every question is not easy. Okay, so like this we can divide questions into three different types, like easy and normal and difficult. Okay, so you will have 30% of questions easy, and 40% of questions are normal, and remaining 30% of questions are difficult. Okay, so you have to understand that every question is not difficult, so according to that you have to prepare. So uh, if you can prepare for easy questions first, then after normal questions, when you complete these two sections, then you can prepare for the difficult questions. Okay, so you have to prepare like that, and you have to understand that question formation is different thing. Okay, so from the same topic you can get the easy question, at the same time you can also get the difficult question. So for example, in languages I'm talking about, you can see that sometimes the writer of a book is have to answer by a student. Okay, so the question will come like who written this book. Okay, but in some questions they ask for the publication year. Okay, so when the publication year is asked, then you have to understand that the question was difficult. Okay, so first you have to uh, read the read about that book and get some basic understanding about that book, who written that book, and on what topic that book has been written. You have to understand these things, and then after you have to uh, read about the publication year. Okay, so like this, in different stages you can read a topic. Okay, and then after uh, such new topics. Okay, and sometimes you can see in previous papers also that 30% of topics are a little bit new. New means not completely new, but they are little bit different from other topics. Okay, so it may look like a new topic, but I think it has been given in previous years also, but you have to check that. So when you prepare for UGC NET examination, so you have to cover everything. Okay, so then you can ask that how can I know that which topic is important and which topic is not important. So for that only I'm saying that you have to analyze the previous year's papers. Okay, and one important thing is that previous examination question paper is very important for the preparation of UGC NET exam, because from that only you can know that how the questions are coming in the examination. I mean to say how the questions are forming. Okay, and from which topic they are forming, that also you can know by analyzing previous year question paper of your subject. Okay, so this is the main thing you have to do for the preparation of UGC NET examination. And such new topics like everything you can't get in books. Okay, because when you prepare for the NET examination, it is a very different exam. Okay, so sometimes you can't get everything in one book, so you have to search. And another thing is that browsing or searching is useful than searching it in YouTube. Okay, so there are some educational blogs which can give you whatever you want regarding your subject. Okay, or there are some online libraries also, so you can check there. And yes, that's how you can study. And another thing is that if you want any topic, if you are searching for any particular topic, then you have to Google it. Like just type your topic name, and then after you have to type Shodh Ganga. Okay, then also you can get related topics. Okay, Shodh Ganga is a website in where research related topics are there, so you can get your related topic from there also. Okay, so you have to just type your topic, and then after you have to type Shodh Ganga. Okay, SHODH and Ganga. Okay, like that you have to type and search. And then after, don't use YouTube always. Okay, so if you use YouTube, then it will take so much of time to study any particular topic. Okay, apart from that, YouTube is not so useful for NET or SET examinations preparations. Okay, it can be useful for basics, but when you prepare with the concentration, okay, so it is we can say that books are useful for NET or SET examinations. Okay, so YouTube videos are not so useful because it will take so much of your time, and you will be not able to structure the topic also. Okay, in YouTube videos. So that is one thing. And another thing is that you have to take regular breaks when you are studying. Whatever the topic you are studying, you have to complete it one by one, and at the same time you can check where the new topic is, where you have to search for the new topic. You can search that, but you have to concentrate on one topic at one time, and then after at another topic, and in another time, like that you have to complete your topics. Okay, by doing like this, you can slowly complete your UGC NET examination topics. Okay, important topics you can complete. When you complete your important topics, then you can go for the normal topics which are not so important, so that you can completely cover the UGC NET topics of your subject. Okay, so that's how you can prepare for UGC NET examination. And for paper 1, you can just practice is useful for paper 1. Okay, so thank you viewers.